Hello everyone, and in this lecture we'll explore more about pandas. Now we know how to read Excel file, CSV or from the clipboard. Now let's do some other operation here. This is my Excel file and this is the sheet I am going to read. Here let's print all the columns. So we can call this columns and print all the column. Alright, no, not, sorry, this should be data frame. From data frame I'm going to read. Now see here, all the columns in this Excel sheet. Now let's do one thing here. I'll print all the, let's say maybe city. So how to print, or we can access it. Let's call print statement. So data frame, and here I can pass the field or the header name, this column name, city. Now let's print all the cities. And see here, these many cities. So all the cities are here. This way we can fetch individual column. Now here let's apply some condition. Let's print let's do one thing. I'll open this Excel file. Okay, here this is the profit column and I want to calculate the total profit. So let's find the sum. Okay, I'll read here profits, profit, but that profit sum, okay, total of the profit. So we can call this function find the profit and total. Let's run this and see here, this is the total profit. So there are so many functions which can be called on this. So let me call another function here. I'll show you. I want to find the minimum. So it will give the minimum profit. And you can see it is in negative value. So some profit are in negative value also. And you can find the maximum. I'll just quickly show you. I'll comment this part here, max, mean. So we can find the maximum profit, we can find the mean value here, you can see. So many useful functions are there. Now okay, let's take another example. Here you can see discount is 0, right? Now let me print the order date when discount is 0. So on which order dates discounts are 0. So how to do that? Let's print here data frame. So column name is order date. And here one more data frame will come and I'm going to print discount. I'm going to check whether discount is 0 or not. Discount should be 0. So print get all the order date when discount is 0. Let's run this. And see here. These are the order dates when discounts are 0. Let's see one more function here. You can see here the quantity or maybe sales. Okay, let's understand this sales. Here I can call describe method. So let's call on sales, just describe it. This will give some meaningful information here. Let's see what are the things it can provide. And you can see here for sales, total count is 9,994 and mean value, standard deviation, you can see minimum and maximum. So it will describe this particular column, data type, so all these things. This is sometimes very useful. Now let's go here again, and I'll print the category of the product for let's say wherever sales is more than 500. Okay, just get the categories when sales is more than 500. So how to do that? Let's print. I want category and data frame where sales more than 500. Now let's run this and see here. These many categories are there where sales is more than 500. Or we can print subcategory or reason, whatever. Now here, let me open this Pandas. Now, in this official website, you can go to the documentation and scroll down here. On the left side, you can see here comparison with SQL. Now, those people who know SQL very well, for them it is very easy to understand these functions. Anyway, we have covered SQL statements in the SQLite section. So where we select, delete, all these operations we perform, right? Now, here you can see this is a nice comparison. So select. When we select these particular columns, how to do it, same thing with the pandas. You can see here. This is a data frame name, and you can specify a different column name here. Now here it is saying limit is 5. I want only 5 record. And you can specify here head 5. See where. So it will select all the record where dinner, time is dinner. Now here just we have seen one example, data frame and whatever sales is more than 5,000 or particular category. So you can go to this documentation. It will really help. So very simple to understand and use.